Hello friends, welcome to AZ Trending official YouTube channel. Here is the latest update. Storm bringing heavy rain and with the strong winds to western Washington. Here is the latest update of western Washington weather. Rain and winds expected in this and 15 to 30 kilometer speed is measured and a vigorous weather system is moving through western Washington on Saturday and bringing with it heavy rain and winds. It may be some places hailstorm expected in some places in the western Washington. Here is the winds could top out around 30 mph around Puget Sound and even a little stronger near the coast further north. So guys, the strongest winds are expected in the evening in the southern Washington and some areas around Sound are experiencing power outage Saturday afternoon. And after the 2 p.m., it's maybe outage of the power. So please subscribe my channel for more latest videos.